Welcome to our Lattice how-to guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through the steps of creating a structured data product. On Pin Board, select Create a structured data product. Then on Create a new data product, you will define your data product. But first you might select Browse to explore what is available to you. Now, start defining your data product by naming it using natural language. Be specific about your data source requirements. Once completed, click on Generate. Copilot generates the data product structure, suggesting the data sources, tables, and columns. If you are satisfied with the structure, you can accept the recommendations. You do also have an option to make manual selections. The foundation of your data product is then created. You will notice once is done that you have moved to step 5 in the process. If you had chosen to manually select the structure, you would have been guided through steps 3 and 4. Step 5 Transform is informational. It highlights the attributes of your data product. In this step, you define access and transformations. Access meaning who is allowed access and what they can access, which is known as computational data governance. And transformations means things like columns, definitions, data quality, and privacy. You can add ABAC rules, fine-grained access controls. You could look at the SQL in the background. You could choose to preview data and load it to understand it. And if satisfied with it, you can scroll down to preview and finalize, which takes you to the final step. Step 6 is where you create the structure of your data product: name, description, ownership. You could add a tag and helpful hints. All things that make your data product discoverable and trustworthy. So once the data is loaded at the top of the screen, you can start to structure your data product. First, add a name. Then add your description. It is a good idea to add a tag, or maybe several tags. These are all the things that will help you in the future recognize your data product. Once you are happy with the structure you have created, select Create Data Product, and your product will then automatically publish to the Pin Board, your data product marketplace, where you can access, use, and share your data products.